what was the story behind getting the U.S. Mint attorney to come and give the lecture on the 1933-20?
It was a whole series of events, but basically my involvement in the Citizens Coinage Advisory Committee is what enabled this, probably to a large degree, through my association and the 4 or 5 years that I've spent on the committee as a volunteer, and I'm really proud to be part of it. And last year our speaker was Don Scarinci. Don talked about metals, and he came, and he's probably has the largest metal collection assembled privately. And we were at a meeting at the Mint, and Don says, "Greg, you ought to go down there and talk." And it just, one thing led to another, and I said, "Yeah, Greg, that's a great idea. You should come down and talk." And I looked and I said, "Why don't you bring the 33 double eagles?" We kind of just joked about it. We said, "Yeah, let's bring the 33. Do you want to bring all 10 or just one?" And so, as you saw today, he brought 2, which was really great. But it really just came, the whole circumstance of...
Rather quickly, because it wasn't a bit, Greg, I have to find out, get approval, and he did.
Yeah, the approval process, as you know, takes some time, and he crossed the T's, dotted his I's, and here we are today with it. And I thought he did a wonderful job, and we're really proud that he was able to play a part.
But moving forward, generically speaking, over the years we've had John Mercanti, 12th Chief Engraver, has been here multiple times.
Don Everhart,
Gilroy, Frank Aspero was here. Gilroy Roberts never physically came here, but both Frank and Gilroy Roberts, Frank Aspero were PAN members.
Jamie Frankie.
Jamie Frankie's been here.
Jeannie Solomon is sculptor engraver.
Yes, we've had a litany of people that have come to support us. The mint engravers and chief engravers have always been good with PAN, since we are Pennsylvania and the home of the mint. Although we're on the other end of the Allegheny Mountains, you got to cross over that,
divide.
It's real easy now. You don't need the horse and wagon.
And what's really nice is as we structure the show, we can attract from Ohio, from Michigan, from New York, from Kentucky, from Tennessee. And when you see here, you have a pretty diverse group. And the other thing is we try and keep it affordable for the dealers.
Yes.
We want to make it accessible. And the struggle with some of the shows right now, there's struggles with shows. And how do we create that environment to attract both dealers and guests?
Yes, that's it. That's what we strive. We brainstorm constantly. We just we don't believe to fall into, well, that's the way we always do it. PAN is not like that.
We almost reconstruct.
Oh yeah, it's a reconstruct. It's constant reconstruction.
That's what we have. We get the yellow tape under construction.
Yeah,
that's why we have the yellow.
Yeah, that's why the color is yellow. We're always under construction.
And you thought it was Steelers.
Caution.
Caution.